Setting goals is the first step in turning the invisible into the visible. Sometimes you have to give up. Sometimes knowing when to give up, when to try something else is genius. Giving up does not mean stopping. Don't ever stop. You cannot get there by bus. Only by hard work and risk, and by not quite knowing what you are doing. What you will discover will be wonderful. What you will discover will be yourself. I am who I am today because of the choices I made yesterday. You can dance in the storm. Don't wait for the rain to be over before. Because it might take too long, you can do it now. Wherever you are right now, you can start right now, this every moment. Avoid him who talks sweetly before you but tries to ruin your behind, your back. For he is like a pitcher full of poison with milk on top. Do it again, play it again, sing it again, read it again, write it again, sketch it again, rehearse it again, run it again, try it again, because again is practice and practice is improvement. And improvement only leads to perfection. There are 5 important things of living a successful and fulfilling life. Never stop dreaming, never stop believing. Never give up, never stop trying, and never stop learning. Every master was once a disaster. When it comes to your dreams, every risk is worth it. Gain control of your time, and you will gain control of your life. Be grateful for what you already have while you pursue your goals. If you don't have a goal in mind, you cannot expect to achieve it. Focus on yourself and your goals and do not get distracted by dishonesty and disloyalty from people who only waste your time and energy. Your focus should be on becoming a type of person you want to be, not a specific goal. Life is not about a goal to be achieved, but a goal to be reached. You define your own life. Don't let other people write your script. Goals must stretch and test your cognitive skills for result achievement. If you want to be happy, set a goal that commands your thoughts, liberates your energy, and inspires your hopes. People with ambition do not give a damn what other people think of them. My belief in life is that you need only 3 things to get to the top: talent, ambition, and initiative.